Hi everybody, welcome to a new project. This is another mini album. This one we are using Farmhouse Market by Carta Bella, which is absolutely beautiful. And it is a design team project for Country Craft Creations. I'm going to have a few of these in a row. I'm trying to catch up. I was a little behind. But in any case, let me show it to you. We're also using Artisan Card Stock from Country Craft Creations in the color Baby Blue. I have the puffy stickers. I've got the little enamel dots. I have a, where is it? It's a sticker, like a sticker book. Hang on. I think you will have seen this in the in my haul that I did, but here's the sticker book that I have, which we're going to use some of these and some of that in another project as well. And then I have the washi tape. So again, I did a haul, so you will have seen all this stuff in the haul. And I have this pink seam binding that I'm using, and I can't remember, I think we used some other colors, but I can't remember. Anyway, okay, so let me do the flip through. The covers measure 6.5 by 6.5, and the pages are 6 by 6. I do have a video. There's 2 videos that I want you to watch, actually. 3. I always have my video showing you how to make covers. The dimensions are in the cutting guide of what you need to cut, and then the directions are in my video, my construction basics video about how to make covers. And I will have added 2 more videos to that playlist. One is how to make folded pages, which we're going to use in this book, and the other one is how to make hinges. Seems like I spend a lot of time in every video series showing you how to make the hinge, so I made a separate video for that as well. And the cutting guide will be linked down below that you can download. And also to Country Craft Creations, we can get all these supplies. So let me show you what I have here. So I've matted the cover, and then I have a little puffy sticker here, and then a piece of ephemera here. I did have ephemera to work with as well. And then I had this saying was on a big, one of the 12 by 12 sheets, and it actually said something else, but I had put a piece of paper down and kind of cut off the rest of it, and given what's happening right now when I'm recording this seemed like just the perfect thing to put on the cover. So that's what's there. The spine is just plain, and the back is this pretty basket print. So let's open the book. Now, one thing we're going to be doing in this book that I haven't really done a lot of in my projects in the past is these sort of photo layout pages. We're going to do 3 of them. Now, I'm using 3x4 cut aparts in mine. You could go ahead and just use a photo there or a photo mat. All right, so let's go ahead and let me show you. We have this page flips up like this. That's a flip. And then it flips this way. So, sorry, I don't know what I'm doing here. I haven't got the book flat. Okay, so it goes up and then over. So you have a lot of room here for pictures. And then it opens here, and we have a belly band here. And I've put just a couple little photo mats and tags. And then here I've got a photo mat, and it's holding these little flaps in place in this pocket. Okay. And then here we have some stacked triangle pockets with another pocket behind. And then here we have a flap and another flap. And you can see I used in addition to the collection, I used these cardstocks, this pink, this mossy green, the dots, which you'll see throughout. And you can get all of these on Country Craft Creations. And then here I have, these are Fussy Cut Pockets. I haven't done these in a while. Isn't that cute? And then just a photo mat. And you'll see this pocket again in a moment. So I did 2 of these. So here's this one. And actually, I'll go straight to it so you can see it. And here's the other one. Same thing, but going in the opposite direction. Same mat and everything. So that's that. Okay, now here in this section, here's another one of those layout pages. Here's some of the enamel dots, some of the ephemera. This is the washi tape. Here's some more of the washi tape. And then, I don't remember how this page goes. Okay, it goes this way. And then we have, this is a flip like this. There's a pocket here, but this is also a pocket, the flip. Okay, so that goes there. And then here I have a triangle pocket. And here's some more of the dots that I used. And then this is actually a flap that opens up. And here you'll see the sticker because I forgot to put my magnet, so it's hidden under there. Okay, and you could put side pocket inserts in this album, but I did not. So here we have just a deep pocket with a mat in it. And then this opens up like this, and this is an envelope. Okay. And then here we have another one of what I call the layout pages. You'll see them in the cutting guide. It just says layout page. That means you don't need to cut anything for it. But here's this page here. Here's the pocket that I just showed you. And then it goes this way, and then this flips open like this. And then I feel like I'm missing something. I am. Flips this way and then this way. So that's a double flip. And then here's another pocket that's holding these flaps, but these flaps go up like that. And then here we have another pocket, just a little booklet that I made by folding two cut aparts together, and then a flap. And then here we have a belly band, and in the belly band we have a couple of things. One, oops, what am I stuck something to it. Okay, just a photo mat here, but also this kind of fancy tag that we're going to make together. I have something sticky out the back. Hang on, let me trim that. I forgot to trim it when I put it in there. Okay, so there's that, which we'll make together. Okay, and this beautiful butterfly ribbon, which I love. And then this goes here, and this, hang on, this flips up. This is the same as that first page, and out. And then here's a pocket that I made using just the, one of the cut aparts. Now, thing to note, page 1 and this last page are identical to each other. So they're slightly mirror imaged, but there's some differences. But you'll see it in the cutting guide. All right, so that is that. It's a pretty chunky little album. There's a whole lot of place for photos and things. And it used a lot of paper. At least a lot of the design paper. I have very, very little of it left. I am going to make another little project with it using the 6x6. I don't think I'll have a tutorial for it. I'll show us a flip through of it. I'm just going to use it in my bullet journal planner. Or not my bullet journal, my traveler's notebook. All right, so that is that, and I will get started with the tutorial very soon. It's already recorded. I just need to edit and post. Download the cutting guide from the link down below. Head over to Country Craft Creations to get your supplies. The number of cardstock that I used is listed in the cutting guide. I can tell you what it was. Hang on. Looks like I used about 13 sheets of the blue, so not too bad, all things considered. And I used, so I would say get at least 15 sheets if you're not buying the full pack. Although it's a really pretty color, I would just buy the full pack. And then I had 1 sheet each of the collection and 1 sheet each of the various dots that you saw throughout the book. So that is that, and I will see you very soon. We will get started. Please like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate it. It really helps the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.